The next rhythm exercise that we're going to do is practicing alternating between chest pops and hip pops, okay? So a chest pop is the sharp, sudden, out and in movement. It's a quick tense of the muscles and a release. It's a very short and explosive movement. Same thing with the hips as well. So a chest pop is basically just pushing the chest out, rolling the shoulders back, and then bringing it back in, okay? We do it a little bit more micro, okay? We don't go to the extent of the warm-up we were doing with pulling it all the way out and back in. It's more of a So, practice the difference and alternating between chest pop and a hip pop as well, okay? So a hip pop is that short, sharp thrust movement with your hips, okay? Thrusting forward and back. So practice the difference. Chest, chest, hips, hips, chest, chest, hips, hips, chest, chest, hips, hips, chest, hips, chest, hips, chest, hips. Whatever you like. There's no right or wrong with the combinations or the order or the pattern. Just practice alternating between the chest and the hips, okay? Put on a song, at least 1 minute. The next is chest isolations. So there's 4 points with chest isolations. There is forward, we bring our chest forward and our shoulders back. To the side, okay, drop the shoulder, lift one up slightly, push the chest out, back, roll the shoulders forward, to the other side, and then forward again. And then practice those different isolations, okay? So practice moving from one to the next. Go the opposite direction. Or just practice going back, forward, left, right, forward, back, forward and to there, forward to the side, other side, forward, other side, forward. So play around with it and get that practice in with the chest isolation. The next exercise I want you to do is just freestyling with your arms, okay? Just your arms only. Now, you can just use your arms, put on a song, and you can just use your arms to sit in a groove, okay? Do whatever you want, you know, just kind of hit the beat. Or you can just, you can use your arms to do moves, or you can do a combo of both. So you can use your arms to kind of go up, out, in, out, down, down, you know. Use your arms, hit different positions, different shapes. Do whatever you like with your arms. Just try and keep it to your arms only. Just practice dancing with your arms. I don't even care if you're just doing whatever you want, you know? I don't even care if it's just a little bit of this or that. Eventually you'll get better at whatever you want to do with your arms. Whatever it is, you know, you'll find that way. Just practice dancing just with your arms, okay? And you'll start to feel more expressive with your body. Okay guys, improvisation exercises. These are designed to get you better at thinking on your feet and creating on the fly. So you can do one of these, none of these, or you can do all of them. Pick and choose what you want to do depending on how you feel after you've done everything else. And you know, let's get rolling. So number one, the first one is dance 6 counts and then pause for 2, okay? So dance for 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's really simple, okay? Or you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Mix it up. Do whatever you like to do. You know, I just made those things up then. Probably didn't even look that good, but the more you kind of just play around with it, the better it gets. You can just start off with counting in your head to begin with, but I encourage you to always do it with music. Otherwise, you know, you'll always be in your comfort zone, and ideally, you know, you want to just be out of your comfort zone. So if you're having to keep up with music, you're going to be in a bit of a more of a realistic environment. So play a song and then just practice that dance for 6 and pause, and practice 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and pause. Whatever you want to do, guys. The next exercise is a little bit weird, but it's very typical striptease dance style. So basically what you want to do is you want to dance low, okay? Dancing low, and then every now and then on the beat, you want to hit it really hard, okay? And then contract back in. Go low, you want to dance low, okay? You can do something down here, and then boom, hit it hard and go back low, okay? Walk around, okay? We can do something like this, boom, 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 down. Okay, so it's all about just mixing it up. But when you hit that beat, there's no right or wrong when you hit it. You can be down here for quite a while, okay? But when you hit it, I want you to hit it hard, okay? A big boom, a big, or even if it's just a down or a down, okay? Just mix it up, think about what you can do, but I want you to hit it hard and I want you to hit it sharp, okay? So if you really want to, if you're gonna be doing something, okay, then I want you to hit it really sharply and hard and come straight back in, okay? It's a great exercise to do to really get into that striptease dance style. Next up, I want you to practice lap dance chair moves and tricks, okay? So practice like, you know, the mount position and doing the fall back and the reverse chair twerk and even handstand, whatever you want to do. They're all in the online course. There's lots there to look at. So go back through the online course and just practice some of the lap dance chair moves and tricks. It's only really useful if you've got a partner in the chair though. It is kind of beneficial with an empty chair, kind of, but you're gonna get more out of it with a partner in the chair. So don't be shy, just reach out to somebody. I know it may be a little weird, but it's way, way better when you've actually got someone real to practice on. Otherwise, it's just, you're not getting the best quality drill, the training that you can possibly get. The next exercise is to dance slow and controlled to a song of your choice, okay? So I mean slow and I mean controlled. So put on a song, probably like a slow song, I guess, but it could be anything. You can just take your time on it, okay? And just slowly practice some moves, okay? Just experiment with the slow dancing. It can be like kind of fluid, you know, like you're moving through water. You can step and then just melt your body down, caress yourself, come back up, slide it up the thighs, hip, and then maybe a grind. And if you want to spin, spin slow. Just do your movements really slowly, okay? Or it can be like controlled, like moving your arms in a controlled format. Whatever you want to do. I'm just like making this shit up on the spot, but that's what I want you guys to do. Just make it up. And the more you make it up on a regular basis, you're going to get better. Trust me. You follow these structured drills. These drills are designed to get your body moving with a specific goal in mind. This goal in mind is to go slow. Okay, so have fun with this one. And lastly, I want you to put on a song and practice high energy, fast dance moves, okay? You can practice fast footwork, fast arm movement. I'm just making this up. but I'm going fast. You know, I'm not chilling, okay? Okay, so I just want you to go fast, okay? Get that high energy, even if it's just bouncing, okay? Boom, 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 boom. Just get that high energy in there. Practice dancing fast, okay?
Okay, all right. Add it up. Okay, all right. Add it up. Add it up.